So as requested, we've got a flame nail tutorial today. I've used the Line It Fine brush from CJP and the CJP gel paint in Sunset Orange. So I tried a few different methods with this one. This was the one I found worked best for me. I started off with a little blob in the middle of the nail, and I brought that up into like a pitchfork shape. I do that on both sides, making the left side just a little bit higher. Then I create the base of the pitchfork. Try and bring it down the centre of the nail using the excess gel and try and be as central as possible. Then I created the side flames just by doing a little swoosh up the side on either side. So then I bring those flames down to join them together. I've tried to curve them at the bottom, if you'll see there, just to create one kind of continuous flame. Once I've got that exactly how I want it, I cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I top coated that, and then you'll see the final result in just a second. And here you go. If there's anything else you'd like me to try, just let me know. Thanks. Bye now.